it's the gel plate storage tin. Take 42. Action.
It's very exciting.
It is exciting.
To find. Look at you.
I'm excited. I've been waiting for this for years.
Yeah, you know, anything that you have to have manufactured to specific specifications.
Yeah.
I'm not certain that sounded right.
Sounds like a double something or other.
Yeah, something or other. But when you have something manufactured, it takes time. It takes time to make certain that it is exactly what you want, and then it takes time to physically make it, and then it takes time to transit it here. And this has taken some time, but we finally, at last, have a tin that is large enough to accommodate our 9x12 plate. So we have it all now. We have a 9x12 plate. We have 9x12 rice paper, which is the acetoma one you see us use all the time. We have Elizabeth's 9x12 stencils. It's almost like there was a plan, because now we have something to store that 9x12 plate in.
It's a 9x12 party.
It is.
Woo! And we do love our inches. It's always going to be 9x12, Barb. It's never going to be centimeters or millimeters
Not
or
if
metric.
I can help it.
No. Do you know, I love this tidbit. I've told you this before, but maybe not everyone else. Do you know that there are only 2 other countries in the whole world that still use the imperial system of measure?
I think it's Australia and one other. I don't know.
No, it's not. It's not even Australia or Britain who started it. No. Take another guess.
I haven't got one.
She doesn't have one. Okay. It's Myanmar and Liberia and the United States, and that's it.
Yes, we're stuck in the 19th
But we're
century.
holding firm. So this will always be the 9x12 gel plate
Yes, it will.
tin. And it really isn't that exciting to look at. Look at it. It looks like nothing but tin.
It's boring, but if you dress it up, you can make it less boring.
Yeah.
But it's functional, which is really the most important bit.
Yes, well, yes. And so it fits that 9x12 plate, so you can store it and protect it and keep it nice. And yeah, so thanks for figuring out that. You got to give Joggles the kudos for figuring all that out.
We decided together that it needed to happen. I just was the one who got stuck with the legwork.
Right.
So that's fine. But the thing that we didn't say in the video, or that you didn't say, is that you can store smaller plates in there too. You're not limited to just putting a 9x12 plate in there. That's the nice thing. I played with mine, and you can put a 6x6 and a 6x6, and it leaves a little strip on one side, and a 3x5 fits in there just fine, as probably would the little petites. So there are, you can get more than one small plate in that tin.
Yes. There you go. So we're very excited about this product. I hope that you are too. And that's all we have to say about that.
Yes, Forrest, that's all we have to say about that.
That and the fact that we love our inches.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
So Barb from Joggles and I are very excited to announce that in addition to our fabulous 9x12 plate that we launched, what was it, a year ago or 2 years ago? A year and a half ago. Let's go with that because Barb has her mouth full. Okay.
It's an orange. It's a really good orange. I want to say it was about 10 months ago. I don't think
Oh, 10 months ago. All right, a little bit more than a year ago. So the 9x12 plate, of course, is fabulous to go with the stencils and the rice paper. But here's something that happens sometimes. Sometimes you damage your clamshell, and that is the box that it came in. You damage it by, grabbing it at the top and kind of lifting it back, and the plastic cracks across here, or it doesn't stay together anymore. Like, this is a good storage container, but it's not heavy duty by any means. So you do need to put it back in something to keep it from getting dust on it and to keep it flat. So, and this clamshell that it comes with oftentimes does crack or get damaged. So I'm just going to take the plate out. So you, once again, I want to remind you that you want to store it with paper on both sides. And I just use the rice paper that I use for gel printing because it's exactly the right size for the 9x12 plate. And you want to do that so that you don't get any bubbles on it. And bubbles happen when the plate is stored on a non-porous surface, such as, I don't know, the plastic directly, and the air gets pressed into it. So the paper eliminates that. So now I've revealed the big reveal. What's underneath here that also fits this plate perfectly is a metal tin, a metal storage tin that you can use when your gel plate clamshell is just not working for you anymore. So this is a brand new Joggles product. It is available now. How exciting. So, and it fits this awesome plate. And you're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to put paper and then your fabulous 9x12 plate right in there. And then another sheet of paper. And you got a little bit of wiggle room around the edges so you can get your finger in there to pull it out. And it's not going to stick in the tin because you've got it on the paper, so it's easy to topple it out as well. And then you have the lid, and you store this in your studio. And basically you want to put it on the shelf like a book, like this, without anything weighing on top of it. So you slide it in between some things on your shelf. You don't want to pile things on top of it. But this is a really nice alternate storage system to the clamshell, and it keeps your plate nice and neat. And here's where you can put all your stickers, Barb. Yes. All your fun stickers that we love collecting. Mm-hmm. You're going to put a whole bunch of Elizabeth paper painting stickers all over the front of this, and everyone will know that you have this fantastic paper paintings Barbara Joggles plate inside the box. Right?
Right.
All right. We should have stuck stickers on it. Barb will lose her mind.
We were remiss. Yeah, we kind of missed the boat on that.
Yes, well, anyway, it'll show up around town with me with all my stickers on it. And the back, too. I mean, this is better than putting them on your laptop.
Well, the other option for people who enjoy alcohol ink would be to use alcohol ink on it, or you can use multi-surface paint on it.
Oh,
the only thing with
yeah.
the alcohol ink is that you probably want to coat it with something, a water-based sealer, because the oils in your fingers will affect the alcohol ink if you handle it a lot. But if you use paint, then it's not a big deal.
Honestly, I'd love to see how people would decorate this tin.
You could gel print on
to
that.
make it their own. You could gel print on it. Like you could Posca pen on it. You could stencil on it. Like I'd love to see what everybody does with this 9x12 plus blank canvas.
There you go.
I think that would be pretty neat.
We have ourselves a little contest.
All right, I'm on it.